How to change Roblox country. Change location on Roblox account. So go ahead and open the Roblox application. Once you're in the home page, click on the three dots icon on the lower right corner of the screen. So before, Roblox has a feature that will let you change countries quickly, but unfortunately, it was just removed recently. But still, there's a way to change our Roblox country. To do this, scroll down and tap on Help. Now scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Contact Us. You will then be directed on this page, and what we need to do is choose any topic in here. Once your browser opens, scroll down till you see Need More Help, Contact Support here. Now just input your birthday or log in your account, fill up your contact information, select your issue details, so in my case, iPhone, technical support, specific experience issue, and then expound on your situation in the description box. Submit it and wait for 2 to 3 business days till Roblox change the country for you. So that is how to change Roblox country in your Roblox account. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.